just don't know how to start. Like, first we're gonna start off with the brows. Good enough, I guess. Next, we're gonna moisturize our skin. This is the moisturizer I use because this is what's good for my skin. So, clear proof. Clear proof. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll leave everything in the box below or on the video and what I use. So, if you have dry skin. Next, we're gonna moisturize our lips.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight.
Next, we're gonna move on to the brows. This is what I use. Again, I'm gonna put everything on the screen so y'all don't miss out. Professional Kiss New York Top Brow. This week hasn't been that great. If you know, then you know. My bitch is going through shit. Nothing bad or whatever. Next, we're going to move on to concealer, which I'm going to be putting under my eyes to conceal my dark circles. Yes, and on top of our eyelids. We're going to take our beauty blender, and I'm using e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. Take our brush, and this we will be using for our eyelid area too. We just dab a little bit on there. So, since this is a nice, soothing, natural makeup look type. You don't need to use all this of foundation or whatever. Me, I like to just, put a little bit, and spread it all over. So you don't have to look like you're wearing foundation, but you are, Okay, y'all. So y'all could already see how I did this side. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing this side. So once I'm done, we're going to move on to the next step. I know this is my first video, so it's gonna be a little woozy wazzy. I'm gonna put a little blazing purple wine, fine wine, purple nurple, purple durable.
Shout out to purple nurple nigga.
We're gonna go ahead with our palette fetish down there so y'all can see. We're gonna go with our dark purple corset. Corsets right here. You can see her, she's right there. Remember, put it in the outer corner of your eye, okay? We're moving in now, moving in. So we're gonna go with Hank. She's right here, light purple. We're gonna go with Deviant. Now she is going to go in the middle, okay?
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon. Rapping.
I'm taking safe word. Safe word. Y'all want a little wing to your eyes, especially like fake eyelash extensions, or if you don't have long eyelashes, then I would recommend our little friend here. Don't mind me, I still have the tag on it now. Oh my god. We done with that. We gonna go with our eyeliner. Just like that, honey. Envy Bold and Long. I don't think I can put my mascara on camera, so. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So this is how it's looking like. Honestly, I think this is a dramatic look enough, so I really wouldn't wear fake eyelashes. So I don't know, but if you want to wear it, that's by all means cool, because you know, you could wear this out to whatever party, whatever, anything. All right, y'all, next I'm gonna go in with my contour palette. Literally says it. We're gonna take these two colors, we're gonna mix it. Slightly, just, you know. Now for our nose, we're gonna slightly just shape it, y'all. Now we're gonna go in for the lips. Change the shirt and come show you guys the results, the end of the look. I mean, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the final look. This just kind of came on top of my head. I don't know. But if you guys like it, then like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.